Hey there, people who love health. Once again, welcome to your health lab. We're going to explore the world of fennel today and its amazing health benefits of fennel tea. This beloved Mediterranean dish is gaining popularity in the health and eating industries. Stay put if you want to learn about the surprisingly beneficial effects of fennel tea. Of course, to stay updated, click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Come on, let's get going. Fennel has long been an essential in both cooking and health. Despite its controversial flavor, those faintly bitter leaves of fennel, steamed and accompanied by seafood. The seeds were dried, ground, and incorporated into spice blends for use in soups, curries, and even tea all over the world. What is fennel tea? Let's now discuss fennel tea. Fennel seeds are dried and then brewed in hot water to make this beverage. This aromatic beverage, which is often drank after meals, is well known for both its calming scent and its ability to ease stomach discomfort. What benefits might fennel tea provide then? Let's examine 9 of its most well-liked health advantages. Fighting infections. First up, fennel tea is a great option when sick because of its antimicrobial qualities. Studies support its antibacterial properties, which make it a great treatment for cold and flu symptoms. If you want to naturally support your immune system, think about consuming fennel tea. Increasing breast milk production. Fennel seeds contain anethole, which stimulates galactagogues, substances that encourage breastfeeding, to enhance milk supply. According to numerous research, anethole mimics the effect of the estrogen hormone and stimulates breast milk production. Fennel tea aids females by stimulating galactagogues and mimicking the effect of estrogen in addition to its pleasant flavor. Improved sleep. The power of fennel tea to help you relax physiologically may translate into a more pleasant night's sleep. Drinking fennel tea before bedtime promotes the secretion of melatonin, which relaxes the nervous system and causes a good night's sleep. Freshening breath. Fennel tea provides several health advantages. It contains antibacterial characteristics that help to keep your breath fresh. The delicious fennel tea boosts saliva secretion, which aids in the killing of dangerous microorganisms. It is an easy and efficient home cure for foul breath. 5 to 10 fennel seeds could help you breathe easier. Aid to digestion. For millennia, fennel has been used to improve digestive health. Warm fennel tea may assist to ease your digestive system and relieve bloating and upset stomachs. Your digestive system will be grateful. Say goodbye to intestinal problems. Glowing skin. Drinking fennel tea protects the skin from free radical damage and increases the lifetime of skin cells. They are rich in minerals including potassium, selenium, and zinc. These minerals are essential for hormone regulation as well as regulating blood oxygen levels. They are commonly used to treat various skin conditions such as acne, rashes, and dryness. Reduced risk of cancer. This is an important claim. Investigate the possible cancer-fighting properties of fennel water. Learn about the facts behind this claim and what it means for your long-term health. They contain potent antioxidant qualities that fight oxidative stress and destroy free radicals. It is possible that this is why it prevents the development of cancer. Midnight hunger no more. There will be no more midnight hunger. Fennel water may help to suppress nighttime cravings, resulting in a more balanced and enjoyable eating schedule. Prepare for a restful night's sleep free of disruptions. Promotes weight loss. Fennel tea is high in fiber and may help with weight loss and hunger control. They function as diuretics and aid in metabolism. Fennel tea combined with a healthy diet and exercise can help you lose weight quickly. Fennel seeds are also thought to be appetite suppressants. This may also help you achieve your weight loss objectives and avoid overeating. And there you have it, the incredible health benefits of fennel tea. If you've tried it or have more insights, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health-related content, and stay tuned for our next exploration into the world of well-being. Until then, stay healthy and keep sipping that fennel tea. Subscribe for more health and lifestyle insights. See you in the next video. Cheers!